Hello! So I'm all about nature journaling in nature, but sometimes it's raining like right now and we have to have a shelter or a roof so that our paper doesn't get wet. And other times it's so cold that we need something warm to sit on so we can draw longer. And today I'd like to show you a recycled variation that will only take you 5 minutes to do. Today I want to show you how to recycle an old coat into chair pads. For this you will need obviously an old coat or part of it, a seam ripper and scissors, and that's it. So my mom used to have this old coat from the 70s. It's from real fur, but it's not from any endangered animal. Don't worry, I think it was sheep, I'm not sure. And she doesn't use it anymore and nobody else uses it. So I will just take the seams apart, and this is just an arm piece. We have the rest of it on the floor as a rug for kids to play on. I don't like rearing animals for fur, but I also don't think that throwing away old stuff will save this problem. I think it's much better if we use what we have and pay respect to the animals by at least using the things that are made from them. I ripped this seam apart and now we have to measure our chair. I've already done one, so I have it here and I can measure on this one. I know it's 37 centimeters, 35 by 39 I think. So it just came down to here. I will just cut this part off and I will cut this and I will cut this part off and I will get this shape of my chair. It's really easy to cut the leather with fabric scissors, but you have to have good fabric scissors. It's a bit difficulter with normal scissors. It's doable, it's just difficulter. Don't worry if it's not perfect, because any other circumstance this would go to the landfill because it was not nice anymore, and now you're rescuing it and doing something that will be usable. And nobody will mind if the chair pad will be a little bit crooked. I'm pretty sure nobody will even notice. You can save this part for some beards of gnomes or elves or some hair on a doll or something like that. It's always useful. If you don't believe me, stick around, I'll show you some uses later. Now let's see how this looks. Looks quite inviting, right? Not only for drawing, but also for inviting someone for a cup of coffee, tea or hot chocolate or whatever your jam is. I've tested this and it works. Like and subscribe so more people will have their butts dry and warm.